Hey, Tim from Fugo here with a quick product update for our Power BI app. So if you go to playlists and then find one of your playlists that is using a Power BI app and go to settings, you'll notice that we have added a scrolling feature. So when you turn this on and then click animate, the dashboard will scroll down to reveal hidden data that you can present to anyone viewing this on your screens. There's a couple of things you can do here to edit this. So you can change the dashboard height, which will basically scroll through that entire height of the dashboard. And then you can also set where the scrolling should start from as well, in case you want to only scroll down from a certain point. And then you can additionally change the duration. So if we lower this duration down all the way to 10 seconds, then you'll notice the animation speeds up and animates between the points that you set out here on the animate section. Yeah, there you go. You can see how it bounces up and down. So you can adjust how far this animates, and then we can change this so it will start from 500 pixels down the screen. So yeah, that's just a quick overview of how the feature works, but as always, feel free to reach out and we can go through this in more detail if needed. Thanks.